Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate GCP Dialogflow for automated customer service bots step by step clearly. To activate GCP Dialogflow for automated customer service bots, start by navigating to the Google Cloud Platform console. Log in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, click on the project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select New Project to create a new project for your Dialogflow agent. Enter a name for your project, and then click on Create. After that, make sure your new project is selected in the drop-down menu. Now, go to the navigation menu on the left side. Scroll down and click on API and Services. Next, choose Library to access the API library. In the search bar, type Dialogflow API. Click on the Dialogflow API from the search results. On the next page, click the Enable button to activate the API for your project. After enabling the API, navigate back to the navigation menu. Select I am an admin, then click on Service Accounts. Click on Create Service Account to proceed. Provide a name and description for your service account, then click Create. In the next step, assign the Dialogflow API client role to the service account. Click Continue, then select Done to finish creating the service account. Now, find your newly created service account and click on it. Under the Keys tab, click on Add Key, then select JSON. A JSON file will automatically download to your computer. This file contains the credentials needed to access your Dialogflow agent. Next, go to the Dialogflow console at dialogflow.cloud.google.com. Log in using the same Google account you used for GCP. Click on Create Agent to start setting up your Dialogflow agent. Fill in the agent name, default language, and default time zone. Select your Google project from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.